With Adobe RoboHelp Server, end users can consume content on any device, from search answer boxes to personalized content filters, published to any screen size. It's also easy to publish to RoboHelp Server from either RoboHelp or FrameMaker. A rich set of outputs includes both modern frameless as well as responsive HTML5 for most any screen size. Here's what a knowledge base for a travel company looks like in a web browser with its easy-to-navigate frameless layout. Tracking and end-user analytics for improving content. 12 charts to provide end-user feedback, all from Adobe RoboHelp Server. Here's an example of a search answer box in action. A user asks, "If I am ill, do I still get a paycheck?" Finding the right answer is now a lot easier with the search answer box. The author can prepare frequently asked questions, as well as use artificial intelligence to bring up the best set of responses to questions. Even though there are 17 search results, the answer to the paycheck question rises to the top. RoboHelp Server will also help you keep track of which dynamic content filters are being used. Here's how it works. Notice the 3 country flags. First, the filter icon is clicked. Then the user selects the UK box. Now only the UK flag is showing. Then Canada is added. Notice in the table of contents we have both corporate and leisure travel topics. We select the corporate travel option and the leisure topics dynamically go away. Select leisure travel and corporate goes away. The end user controls what they are looking at. The same filter also affects the search and index. All of this user interaction is collected and tracked by RoboHelp Server's database. Then reports can be generated to analyze the usage. Projects can also be seamlessly merged together. In this scenario, there are 4 projects maintained by separate authors. Each publishes on their own timetable. Here's an example of what it looks like when they are all together at runtime. We open on the main project. Here is the Human Resources project, owned by a different author. The accounting department adds their merged project. Finally, another author publishes the marketing project. All projects have a life of their own, but come together as one seamless knowledge base. When you search or use the index, the results come from all the projects. Finally, another flexible way of accessing your audience is support for localization and translation in more than 35 languages. Tracking and end-user analytics for improving content. 12 charts to provide end-user feedback, all from Adobe RoboHelp Server. For a personalized demo or questions, please write to us, techcom@adobe.com.